actually love that question because I have noticed it actually, I do see the benefit. So like when we meet, we're like, there's various teachers from various grades, right? So we're a mixed group.
Oh, I love it.
It's fascinating because they'll bring up students and it really enables us to engage in like a really deep conversation and strategies. So, I mean, I come at it from, as we've talked about, a parent perspective, a family outreach worker perspective. And so to get into like understanding what might be the root cause behind a behavior, why
Yeah.
might there be resistance to doing work? What are some things they might be looking for that they're missing? And just having that conversation with them and giving, and the group engages. It's not just me. Like I give my input, but the group can really be like, I never thought about that before, or I'm going to try that. And so it's really creates great conversations and great teaching for all of us. Because then, like, I don't know
Mhm.
numeracy and literacy. That's not my background. And so it allows for such a deep
Mhm.
conversation to see how it's all connected, right?
Mhm.
Maybe it's, if the student is struggling with anxiety or stress, how come they might not be focused? So that might explain why on this day they had 80% in like their math test, but tomorrow they might only have 40. Let's talk about, are they sleeping, are they eating, what's going on at home? And just
Mhm.
having those conversations with the teachers, it absolutely builds their toolbox for other students, and then allows me to hear from their side, kind of their, how can we increase literacy and numeracy with that mental health
Mhm.
component. So
Yeah.
it's actually been great.